to my crib, come on in. This is my kitchen here. You know, most people call it a kitchen, but I consider it more of my science lab. I'm experimenting with spices and new flavors and mixing drinks, taking mixology classes if you want one. We got margaritas, Mai Tais, whatever you want, we got it. What do you want, baby? Come on. Why don't you follow me into the next room here?
Want something to drink? Good.
So in here we got the bathroom. This is where we do our relaxing. Sky's got her glam squad. Full-size bath. Pure luxury, baby. Pure luxury. Come on and join me in the bedroom here. Don't really have to tell you what goes on in here, but you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. Got a nice view and everything.
You sure you want something to drink? I mean, it's here if you want.
Pretty much a local now. Ask me the state fish of Hawaii. Ask me.
What's the state fish of Hawaii?
Huma huma nuka nuka hua'au. See? You know, I belong here. What the hell are you still doing here? Get the hell out of here. This is my private time. Get out, come on. I don't want to see you in here no more. Get out of here.